our channel. Today I am briefing you another Indian literature poem. The spring season is approaching from Kabir Das. Kabir Das, the poet, the singer, is one of the most influential figure of Bhakti movement, and he was one of the most important saint of India. He is unique because he got deep respect and admiration from Hindu, Muslim and Sikh religion. There is no confirmation birth date of Kabir, but some scholars said that he was born in the city of Varanasi in 1398 to the family of Muslim weaver. He eventually became the disciple of Swami Ramanand. He spoke against the imposed superiority of upper class from both the Muslim and Hindu communities. While this, he came closer to the marginalized people. Doha means is a self-contained rhyming couplet in poetry. Doha literally means two line. Poetry composed in a simple and easy manner to learn devotion and the lesson of life to the people. Saint Kabir has spoken many dohas or couplet, which he highlights main importance to Guru grace. Kabir said his follower to consider teacher as Guru Govinda, the God. The Guru who leads his disciple to the light of knowledge emanating from God. And the only path to attain God is the path of bhakti or devotion. The person should have pure thought and pure heart that he could devote himself towards God. The central theme or teaching of Kabir is very simple. Kabir said he led stress bhakti, where the bhakti leads towards God. That means they come closer to the God. One could be released from the life cycle of birth and death by the sincere love and devotion towards God is called bhakti. Now I will explain the poem. First I will read full poem and then I will explain line by line. The spring season is approaching. Who will help me meeting with my dearest? How shall I describe the beauty of the dearest, who is immersed in all beauty? That colors all the pictures of this universe. Body and mind are alike. Forget all things else in that beauty. He who has these ideas, the play of spring in his. This is the word which is unutterable. Said Kabir, there are very few who knows this mystery. The spring season is approaching. Who will help me meeting with my dearest? Here Kabir is asking that who will help him to meet his dearest means God. Who will help him to meet his God? How shall I describe the beauty of the dearest? After meeting his God, now he is stunned that his beauty is immense, that he is not able to describe his beauty. Who is immersed in all beauties? That Kabir is telling that immersed in all beauty, that God is submerged in all beauties of nature. That colors all the picture of this universe. The colors of all the picture of the universe means the nature of the world, like hill, mountain and plateau, river, birds, everything is in different color that is created by the God. Body and mind are alike, means Kabir is telling both are equal. they are equal. Forget all things else in that beauty. That he is telling all the conflicts, issues, problems in their life. By seeing this beauty of God, we have to forget that problems. He who has this idea, he knows everything. Whatever we have gone through, we have problems. All nature is created by this universe also from God. The play of spring in his, that he is telling the spring is created by the God. The spring, the main theme of this poem is spring, that the regeneration of the universe. And also we can tell regeneration means rebirth, giving new life to the people or human beings. This is the word which is unutterable. That unutterable means it's very awful to tell that the spring season is created by the God, that he knows whatever things in the world. Said Kabir, there are very few who knows this mystery. Means he is telling there is some people who is close to the God, who is near to the God, means who has obtained devotion towards God through bhakti, that they are closer to the God, the person who knows the mystery of the God. By this poem, we can tell that the spring means in India or other country means regeneration of life, and also we can tell blossoming of love in human heart. This how Kabir has described the beauty of the world to God by his poem. In this poem, how Kabir has expressed his devotion towards God. By the line we can see that he has given reference to the universe and also beauty of the nature. By this poem we can see how Kabir Das has expressed his devotion towards God. Then he has given idea how we have to be devotee towards God. In the conclusion, we can tell that how Kabir Das has expressed his devotion towards God by asking that who will help him to meet his God. After meeting his God, he is stunned that he is unable to express his feeling, because he is in everywhere, like in the world, everywhere, that God only created the world. So we can see God everywhere. By this I will end my poem. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more educational